Here's a quick training video on how to reach out on LinkedIn via a screen recorder. Reaching out on LinkedIn is very important, and you want to either go specifically with one video or you can create one video for many folks. And this is what this would look like. So if I wanted to reach out to Ruben here, say on LinkedIn, I'm going to use the Dubb Chrome extension screen recorder right up here at the top. Just Google Dubb Chrome extension right here. Here you go, ready in your browser. Now, there are things that I mentioned before. There's the size of the webcam that you can control here. I wouldn't go too big. You want to make sure, you're not covering everything. Then you can decide on the shape. What kind of shape do you want to be? Just try to match the page of the feel aesthetically. LinkedIn, circle. I'm going to keep myself in a circle. Then you can also punch yourself in a little closer if you want to. You can physically move yourself around in here for placement. And then you want to think about where's a good spot to put yourself. We talk about this all the time. Could I do the eclipse? Could I start the video and go like that? That would be the animated preview. That'd be fun. But I'm going to bounce right up against his bubble right here. I could actually knock on his bubble if I wanted to do that. Now, we have an annotation tool that we can use, that we're going to use. We also have a teleprompter right over here. So teleprompter right on this side here, I can click here, and every recording option in Dubb has a teleprompter. All you need is a script saved inside the platform. This is where you can control the speed up or down. You can hit the play button, see if you like it. You can back the text off. You can zoom it in. Now, the thing with the Chrome extension here with this, you want to make sure you don't go full screen on your browser, because if you do, you're not going to be able to use the teleprompter tab. So you want to make sure that you get a little bit of room. So when you hit record, you can tap this thing forward and you're able to use it. You also have a couple recording options right over here in terms of orientation. Okay. So this one right here, if I go on camera, opens up like a webcam. If I go tab, it's going to be just this tab that I'm on. This is the one really recommended for LinkedIn. It's just this page. You won't see any of the stuff at the top. If you go screen, it will get your entire computer screen, but that's only if I want to bounce around to different tabs. I say, hey, Ruben, I want to take you on a tab journey. I can click on some other stuff here, which is really, really important. Now, the other thing is too, when you actually hit record, this is what this is going to look like. Start recording, choose your tab. There it is right there. And then you can do one of these right here. Hey, Ruben, this is Rob. I wanted to reach out to you, my friend, because I saw that you were in technology. I also saw you wrote a book called Click Record. I click record every day, and I'd love to talk to you more about that. So what I did there was when I began recording, I did my animated preview, right? I could hold up the whiteboard as a hook. I could do a little point, little bubble thing, something like that, very simple. And then I jumped to full screen. If you want to jump to full screen, just double click the bubble. It'll bring you here. Double click the screen to go right back to where you were. You also can move around while you're talking, whatever is very comfortable for you. If you want to be a little more regimented, you can absolutely hit the pause button right down here at the bottom, stop the recording, take a break, come right back up here, click resume, and you can keep going. You have the annotation tool right over here that you can use. Point some things out. You can use arrows, underlines, circles, whatever you need. You can do numbering on the screen. You can do text on the screen. You get all kinds of options depending on what you want to point out. Now, once you've done your video here, just hit the check mark at the bottom right there, and it's going to save this video into the Dubb platform, where you can do a number of things on the video edit page. But once you've created this video, how would you share the video with Ruben? So if we're right back over here on LinkedIn, all you have to do is go back over here. And once you are connected, you want to be a first connection with someone first. Once you're a connection, then you can click the message button right down here at the bottom. And all you have to do, see the little Dubb button we have right down here? That's the integration we have with LinkedIn. So if you click this right here, find the video to the right, there it is right there. All you have to do is click insert, pop it in here. You can highlight the text and change it to something personal, click send, and then that person is going to see that nice animated preview sitting right in there. Now, those are for specific videos for specific people. What if you wanted to record one video and put it across a number of leads because the messaging is the same and you're not saying the person's name in the video? You absolutely can do that with the Dubb desktop app. So you see up here, Dubb desktop app. Just Google Dubb desktop app. It's another screen recorder. And then just view quick menu. Here it is right here. And what you can do is see this little function here called narrator video. Let's pretend I already recorded a video directly to webcam reaching out to a certain number of prospects. All the messaging is the same. It doesn't say the person's name, but it has everything. It has the hook, the call to action, all of that. So I've already recorded it and it's sitting in my Dubb Studio library. All I do is click narrator video, takes me inside the library here. Let's pretend this is the video here. And then all I would do is now do the same thing, place it wherever I want on top of any profile. So I have one video I recorded and I can place it on multiple profiles. So when I hit record here, this is what it would be like.
Hey, it's Rob, your AI and video coach from Dubb. Thank you so much for watching this.
And then just hit the check mark. There it is right there, and just upload it into the Dubb platform. And same thing, you just message the video the same way. But what you're doing is you're leveraging the power of a pre-recorded video with the Dubb desktop app that you record one time, or you can do individual videos with the Dubb Chrome extension. And that is an effective way to reach out on LinkedIn. Very different. A lot of people don't use that, and it's very effective and it's able to stand out.
Hey, it's Darius, the co-founder of Dubb. Thank you so much for checking out this video. To get more trainings just like this, subscribe to this channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We're happy to help. See you in the next one.